Good morning, students. Today I take you to Meghalaya. Let's go with me, Meghalaya. Meghalaya, literary meaning abode of clouds, with its capital at the famous hill station Shillong, is the state which gets heaviest rainfall in the world. Khasi, Garo, Jantia are the main tribes of the state. Khasi, Garo, and Panar are the main languages spoken in the state, although there are many local dialects spoken in the remote areas. The traditional clothing for women is called jensen, which is a long piece of cloth covered around the body. The traditional outfit for men is dhoti with a jacket and turban. The staple food of the people is rice with spicy meat and fish preparations. They rear goats, pigs, fowl, ducks, and cows and relish their meat. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of the state. The major crops grown here are rice, maize, potato, banana, and pineapple. You can see in the picture. Here is the pineapple field. Some other important industries in the state are hydroelectricity generation and cement manufacturing. Some of the places to visit are living root bridges. Here is a living root bridge. You can see Maflang forest and caves are the visit place in Meghalaya. Now I would like to take you at Assam. Okay, go with me in Assam. Assam is a state in northeast India situated in the south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra river. Dispur is the state capital and Guwahati is the largest city of the state. Assam is famous in the world for its tea plantations. The Assamese people are well known for their excellence in weaving. Muga silk is spun in many villages. The traditional dress of women is Mekhla Chadar. The famous festival of Assam is Bihu. You can see here is the festival, Bihu festival. Kamakhya temple. Here is the Kamakhya temple. It is in Guwahati. Kaziranga National Park are famous places to visit in Assam. Kaziranga National Park, you can see the park is famous for one-horned rhinos. It is in Jorhat near Guwahati. Thank you, students. Let's go Manipur. You can see Manipur. Manipur is a state in northeast India with its capital in Imphal. The main occupation of the people of Manipur is farming of wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane, pineapple, orange, and cotton. The Manipuri dance form is famous all over the country. The traditional dress for women is a shawl called inafi and a wrap around skirt called sarong. Manipuri men wear dhoti, a jacket, and a white turban. Some tourist places to visit are Govindji Temple. Here is the Govindji Temple. You can see on the picture. Khwairaman Bazaar, Manipur Zoological Garden, and Loktak Lake. This is Loktak Lake. You can see Manipur women is here. You can see Loktak Lake. These are the visiting place in Manipur. Thank you, students. Keep watching, read the text, watch the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.